Hi, my name is Sylvie. I am a certified health coach and fitness trainer, and today I am taking you through a 5-day smoothie cleanse. It's based on the concept of the fasting mimicking diet, and this smoothie cleanse comes with all the recipes, all your macros, and it will follow all the guidelines that you need to follow if you were to do the fasting mimicking diet. If you follow me, chances are you've heard of the fasting mimicking diet, or what I called modified fasting, because the fasting mimicking diet is actually a trademark that was created by Dr. Valter Longo, who has been studying fasting and calorie restriction for decades. The main benefit of doing a modified fast is that you can enjoy all the amazing benefits of a prolonged fast without going completely without food. Going completely without food and doing a 5-day water fast would be very, very challenging for the average person. And I think that it's not very accessible for many of us. But not only that, it turns out that doing a modified fast, which does include some calories and some whole foods, can even be more effective as far as healing your body goes than a water fast. Some of the research that Dr. Valter Longo did seem to indicate that you can actually heal even better when you get some of these foods in. And you could assume that possibly it is due to the fact that your body can use some of these amazing nutrients in the healing process. There are a few guidelines that you want to follow when you go on a modified fast, and you can check the link in the description to have all the information. But in this video, I'm going to give you a general idea of what you need to do. You need to restrict your calorie to about 40% your regular calorie intake, and this severe calorie restriction will really help induce autophagy, which is the healing process. Also, you need to have a vegan diet for the 5-day period that is very low in protein, not very high in carb, and pretty high in healthy fats. And all these factors put together will really help cleanse your body, heal your body, balance your hormones, and kickstart your weight loss journey if that's what you're after. It's what I did before I started losing weight with intermittent fasting, and that's what made a world of difference. And if you look at my 30-day transformation program, that is also why it's the first step that you need to follow to go through the program and lose the weight if you've been struggling with losing weight. And that's also something else that you can check. I'll put a link in the description if you want to look at this 30-day transformation program. But today's video is all about the smoothie cleanse. In the 30-day transformation, I have a recipe book that you can use, and you can do your modified fast the way you want to. It doesn't have to be a smoothie cleanse. I have a meal plan that comes in the transformation, and the meal plan does include some smoothie recipes. It includes some salads and soups, so it's a good diversity to make it more interesting. But I also have all kinds of different meal plans, including this 5-day smoothie cleanse. If you like the idea of a smoothie cleanse, just do that one. As long as you go for 5 days, following the guidelines of a modified fast, you'll do just fine. And when you check my blog post, you'll see I have all the macros for each day, the calorie numbers, everything is included, as well as the smoothies and the recipes. You have a grocery shopping list there. So it's definitely a good idea for you to go in the description and check the link there. It'll make it a lot easier. Plus, I'm not planning on making all the smoothie recipes in this video. I'm just giving you a general idea of what the smoothies are and what the recipes are and what this 5-day smoothie cleanse is all about. But anyway, if you look at the blog post, you'll notice that on day 1, you get to consume about 1,090 calories, and all the other days are about 800 calories. And the macronutrient ratio also changes a little bit from day 1 to the other days. But you don't have to worry about it if you're just going to use my meal plan, because it's already giving you what you need. Another thing that you'll notice if you check the meal plan, I use a green superfood in some of my smoothie recipes, and it's called a power shake. I use the power shake because it gives added flavor and added nutrition to the smoothies. It is really, really delicious in a smoothie. Plus, it's made with superfoods that have been dehydrated at low temperature. It offers tons of vitamins and minerals to your body. I would not ever go without it again. It's made a huge difference in my energy level. It's been a very important part of all my modified fasts as well as my intermittent fasting journey, because on most days that's how I break my fast. That being said, you're under no obligation to purchase this green superfood. You can find your own. You can also just use your smoothie recipes that don't include it. So you have some other options. I have created recipes that include it only because I love it so much, and I do think that it makes the smoothies a lot tastier. But it's up to you. The last thing I would like to mention about the smoothie cleanse recipes is that they usually have about half a cup of full fat coconut milk. That'll help increase the fat content of all your smoothies. And they usually have about a cup of water. But obviously the amount of water you put in is going to depend on how you like your smoothies, whether you like them thicker or thinner. And also you can use ice if you'd like, but I typically use frozen fruit, and that's what helps give it that thick and cold smoothie texture. So I think that's pretty much all you need to know about this 5-day smoothie cleanse. I don't know about you, but I'm very excited to try it because I love smoothies, and smoothie cleanses are a great spring detox. So I'm pretty excited about this meal plan. If you have been following me for the Fasting Mimicking Diet, I think you'll love that as well. Don't forget to check the link for all the information you need, and don't forget to check my 30-day transformation program if you're struggling to lose weight. I think that will really change your life. Thank you for watching.